Hey friends, today we're going to be looking at decoding multiple syllable words with the vowel digraphs E-E, E-A, A-I, A-Y, O-A, and O-W. These digraphs make the long sound A, they make the long E sound, and they make the long O sound. The digraphs A-I and A-Y both make the combination A in the words nail and birthday. The vowels E-A and E-E both work together to make the long E sound, as in the word read and in the word teeth. The vowel sound O is made by the letters O-A and O-W, as in the words boat and grow. Let's practice the long E sound. The long E sound E can be spelled E-A and E-E, as in read and teeth. Let's practice saying these two words, bee and easel. Bee, easel. Pause this video if you need to practice this vowel sound with your learning guide, and then we'll come on back to move to the next one. The next vowel pair is the A sound. A-I and A-Y both make the A sound, as in the words nail and birthday. Let's practice with the following words. Snail, hay. Do you hear the long A sound in both of those words? Snail, hay. I hear that A sound in both of those words. Let's move on to the O sound. O-A and O-W both make the O sound, as in the words boat and grow. Practicing these two words with your learning guide. Soap, soap, and snow, snow. Say these words with your learning guide. Next, we're going to look at this chart that we have in this list of words. We're going to put this list of words into three categories. Do they make the long E sound, spelled E-E or E-A? Do they make the long A sound, spelled A-I or A-Y? Or do they make the long O sound, spelled O-A-O-W? What I would like you to do is to pause this video, practice seeing where these sounds go, and then come on back and check your work with your learning guide. How did you do, friends? Take a look at this chart that I've completed for you. For the long E sound, you should have the words meat, wheat, sleep, bead, heap, and wheel. These all make the long E sound, either spelled E-E or E-A. Now let's move over to our words that have the A sound in them, such as gray, rain, away, spray, and paid. I hear the A sound in all of those words, don't you? And last, we have the long O sound, spelled O-A-O-W. These are the words grow, loan, bowl, pillow, and grown. In all of those words, I hear the long O sound. Next, in your learning journey for today, I would like you guys to go ahead and complete page 44 in your Readers and Writers Journal before moving on to the next part of our learning progression today. You guys did a great job by decoding multi-syllable words with the vowel teams or vowel digraphs E-E, E-A, A-I, A-Y, O-A, and O-W. Good luck, friends, in your coursework today.